Stop scrolling! Are you tired of seeing boring, generic videos? What if you could create jaw-dropping, hyper-realistic AI videos? The kind that look professionally produced, the kind that go viral, all for absolutely free? No subscriptions, no complex software, just your imagination. On Tech Drop today, I'm revealing the secret that the pros don't want you to know: Alibaba's revolutionary Qwen 3. Get ready, because this is about to change everything. All right, Tech Droppers, let's cut to the chase. Here's your step-by-step guide to start generating your own stunning AI masterpieces. Step 1. Get instant access. First, simply Google Qwen Chat. You'll see the official link, chat.qwenlm.ai. Click it. It's that simple to get started. Step 2. Sign in. This is critical for unlocking features. Once you're on the site, you must sign in with your account. This is absolutely crucial because the video generation feature only unlocks after you've logged in. You'll then see a familiar interface similar to ChatGPT, but with powerful additions like web search, image generation, and, of course, video generation. Step 3. Unleash the Beast model. Next, find the drop-down menu and select Qwen 3. This is the most powerful model, responsible for those incredible hyper-realistic results you saw at the beginning. Don't settle for less. Step 4. Choose your canvas and dimensions. Now click on the video generation option. You can also fine-tune your video's aspect ratio here, picking the perfect frame for your vision. The sample videos alone look so realistic. Step 5. The magic of prompting. This is your viral hook. This is where your creativity truly shines and where the magic happens. You'll input your text prompt. What makes Qwen 3 absolutely insane is its ability to handle incredibly complex multi-action prompts. It literally gives everything you ask for. Let me show you 2 jaw-dropping examples that showcase the kind of viral, complex prompts this model can tackle. Remember, these examples are not from the provided source, but are designed for viral appeal. New example 1. Imagine prompting: a majestic dragon flying over a futuristic neon city at dusk. Its scales shimmering with bioluminescent patterns, with hover cars weaving through towering skyscrapers and people on flying skateboards below. Smoke billows from a distant factory chimney. This prompt combines mythical creatures with cutting-edge sci-fi and intricate environmental details, all in one stunning shot. New example 2. Or how about this for pure fantasy immersion? An ancient wise wizard casting a powerful spell in a dense, glowing magical forest. Vibrant runes appearing in the air, with bioluminescent flora pulsating on the ground. And a mystical wolf with glowing eyes observing from the shadows. This shows its power to create immersive fantasy worlds with dynamic magic and atmospheric effects. Don't hold back, be as detailed as you can. The more you give it, the more it delivers. Step 6. Patience pays off. It's worth the wait. Once you hit send, the video starts generating. This can take some time due to high traffic from so many people discovering this amazing free tool. So a little patience, but the results are absolutely worth the wait. Understanding perfection and near perfection. The reality check. While Qwen 3 is truly exceptional and produces hyper-realistic videos, let's be real, no AI is always 100% perfect. The sources noted that in one case, the coloring was quite bad for a coral reef video. And yes, AI can sometimes have minor imperfections like blurry faces, incorrect fingers, or background issues. But here's the kicker. For a free tool, Qwen 3 looks so good, often without many visible imperfections. It's truly groundbreaking and incredibly impressive for what it is. Your turn, Tech Droppers. Time to create. This tool empowers you to bring your wildest visual stories to life without a hefty price tag or steep learning curve. I cannot wait to see what hyper-realistic AI videos you'll create. Drop a comment below with your favorite prompt ideas or even a link to your stunning creations. If you found this helpful and you're as excited as I am about the future of free AI tools, smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and make sure you're subscribed to Tech Drop for more groundbreaking insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.